Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 14th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla is rebounding quite nicely, I must say. So we are up $10.58, 3.62, closed at 302.71. Post-market, we are even up by 89 cents, 0.29%. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So yesterday, because of this big news of inflation, we had a quite significant drop here with this red candle right here, and we had lost stochastic at that point. But today we started sideways and went super high quite fast. So if we go on the hourly chart, this was the first candle of the day right here. So we opened right at the same place where we were yesterday, but then we started going back super high, super fast, up to 300. Then things cooled down a little bit, but the second hour went back in here, crossed 300, and the second hour even went as high as this top here that we had made on September 12th. We basically surpassed it a little bit during that hour, but then came down right here, and now we finished quite strong with a green candle. You know, stochastic was extremely low at 9, so I was expecting the stock to come back down, but basically what happened is that we started going up and we gained back stochastic over 60 on the second hour. So somewhere in the second hour I came back in because stochastic was there, so I decided to come back in here. And now I'm still in because even though we had a small pullback right here, we still had stochastic over 60. So nice reversal. Right now we might be into a congestion zone. We might be going sideways for a little while because we have two tops right here. One here and white, and one here, and that's pretty clear. And here we have a pretty strong support. We might be going sideways and playing here. And hopefully we are going to start and resume our move back up. That would be nice to see. If we go back on the daily charts, we had lost stochastic yesterday on the daily chart, but now we are back in. This was not a trend that what happened yesterday. It was just a bang, deep market reaction, and then things seems to be recovering okay, at least for Tesla right here. You can stay tuned with me after this video so that we can take a look at the VIX and Dow Jones and the index. So looking at the indicators, we are at 75 for stochastic and everything is good on all of the indicators. It was just a big scare yesterday. Big drops and market crashes happen exactly that way. Things seems to be going well and then boom, it starts falling, and some of the time it just continues falling. So I am personally happy to have gotten out of Tesla. I just got back in. Yes, I came back in with a prices that was a little bit higher than where I got back, but it's not a game of numbers. I get in at this point, I get out at that point, blah, blah, blah. It's not a numbers game per se, it's a surfer's game. So when there's a wave, we need to get in, and when there's a counter wave, depending on the time frame that we are looking at, we need to get out. This is what we need to do, at least in my opinion. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.